it's Costa Great Missenden here. Today it's going to be my 40th upload, so I've decided to do a giveaway. Please comment below in the comment section. If you comment, you'll be randomly selected and I'll allocate you a number and I'll do a live draw in about a week or so, or maybe 2 weeks. We'll see how it goes. What I'm going to be giving away is either a plowboys rub for chicken. It says it's created for chicken but made for pork. It's very versatile, or a beef one, depending on whatever you like. I'll send them out to you. I got these from Hildreth Garden Centre. They're very nice guys. I brought them myself, my own money. I thought I'd try and give something back. They're very tasty. I hope you like them. So I'll be sending you away to whoever gets selected. So I could lay these down on a nice board and dust them over and cover them perfectly. But to be honest, for what we're doing, we don't need to do that. I'm just gonna use this bowl, use this rub, which coincidentally I'm going to be giving this away, or one of these away for my 40th upload video, which will be this one. Okay, so here we are. I'm starting to cover the wings up. They just need a little bit of a move around. Could have done it on a board, but to be honest, life's too short. All we got to do is get the flavour in these wings, which is what we're doing. Or should I say what I'm doing? Plenty of rub, plenty of flavour, and I can guarantee you these are going to be outstanding wings. Just want to do it so that the wings take the colour on. You can see how to do it, how to break down the wings in the video below in the link. It smells nice, it's a good rub. Just want to get a good coating on these so they're all nice and tasty. Just as they cook, generally lose a little bit of flavour. And we want to pack it in as much as we can. Right, so there you go. There's the wings all coated up. A little bit more. That one in the middle looks like it needs some. There we go. Why they're sitting like that? Coat of some of this stuff. This is really good. If you live in the UK, check them out. They sell it in Morrison's, I think Tesco's as well. It's really, really good. It takes a lot of messing around now. I'm going to bosh that on in a second. All you got to do is keep on dusting it over. Just give it a good mix in the pan. Soaks up all the extra moisture. All of these wings were patted down with some kitchen towel to remove as much moisture as we can. The idea is they've got to be fairly dry, so when they get in that really screaming hot barbecue, the fat from the chicken wings is almost going to fry this chicken itself. And trust me, everyone I've done it for has said they're gorgeous. A little bit more dusting. I'm at it. Cheers. It is a Sunday. So once this is done, I'm going to put them aside to stand, cover them over with a bit of cling film, then go and fire the barbecue up. Right, as you can see, I've got the wings on there. I've got some fires at the back as well. We're exactly the same coating. They're going to take a little bit longer, but be just as tasty. So let's get the lid down and let it cook. Okay, so I've got the grill running. It's rocking at about 450, 500 Fahrenheit. I'm going to leave that for 20 minutes. Not even going to look at it while that's happening. I'm going to have a cider. See you in a little while. Right, so we're just going to go down and have a look. Here's the chicken wings. They've been cooking away. They're all nice and crispy. Haven't quite got that crack yet, but they're getting there. And they probably need another 5 minutes. Right, chicken's all done. It's really tasty, nice and crispy. No, that's a wing. Let's take the top off. Put that there. Clean off the bone. Good job, well done. Nice chicken. There's tonight's dinner. You've got a chicken thigh, a few winglets, a bit of salad and some rice. Really happy with how it all come out. Very tasty. Bites clean off the bone. What more can you want? Right, okay, so this is going to be my 40th upload to YouTube. As I said, subscribe and like, leave a comment. If you leave a comment, I'm going to give you a random number, right? Whatever number you are, it's going to be randomly drawn out. We're going to do a video. Whoever wins will get a plowboys rub. Either this one or this one. I'll send it directly out to wherever you are. I'll pay for it. I'm not being endorsed by anyone. It just happens to be the rub I use for these wings. So you've got a chance to make this recipe. It's a really good recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Put a lot of work in. See you again for Costa Great Listening. This is Ryan. Bye bye. Okay, so I've got the wings. Fuck.